Hirap kayo, putang ina, sige. Magtiis kayo sa hirap at gutom, wala akong pakialam.
Nakakuha po kami ng bigas doon, may namigay po ng bigas pero basa po. Mga 3 banlaw po namin, hinugasan po namin para makapakinabangan pa.
We continue to protect the sovereignty of the Republic. We continue to defend the territory of the Republic. And we continue to protect and defend the people. We cannot allow it even the 1 inch. Hinaharang dun sa teritoryo namin. Yun, ipaglalaban talaga namin yan.
Despite the expensive price of 70 pesos per liter and a limit of only 3 liters per person, residents of San Jose, the capital of Dinagat Islands Province, have been queuing at one of only 2 operating gas stations in town.
3 araw na ako nagpipilas ng mga gasolina.
Kasya ba?
Pwede na. Mahirap talaga
But while many tourists have left in the aftermath, one Spanish national has decided to stay and help the town recover.
This is my second country. This is Siargao. This is my home. So I want to stay here. I want to help here.
Pati po namin si BBM, mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas po. Maraming salamat po sa aming mga biyaya na natatanggap po dito sa Mali.